What if waste didn't exist? What if every product was designed not to be thrown away, but to be reborn? That's the idea behind Cradle to Cradle. It's more than a design philosophy. It's a revolution in how we make things. Most products today follow a cradle-to-grave path. We extract, we manufacture, we use, we dispose. That's a one-way ticket to the landfill. Cradle to Cradle flips that model. It designs everything with a second life or a third or fourth built in. Let's break it down. Cradle to Cradle is based on 5 key principles. 1. Material health. We start by asking, what are products made of? Are the ingredients safe for humans and the environment? If not, we redesign. No more toxic dyes in clothing. No more harmful glues in furniture. Only safe circular ingredients. Material reutilization. Every material is a nutrient, for nature or for industry. That means we design in 2 cycles. The biological cycle. Materials like cotton, wood, and wool return safely to nature. They biodegrade and feed ecosystems. The technical cycle. Materials like metals, plastics, and glass are endlessly reused. They're not downcycled into something worse. They're upcycled into something better. Cradle to Cradle designs for disassembly. Products come apart easily, so materials can return to their proper cycles. 3. Renewable energy use. Production runs on clean power. Factories powered by solar, wind, or geothermal. It's not just about using less energy, it's about using the right kind. 4. Water stewardship. In Cradle to Cradle, water is treated as a precious resource. Processes are designed to use water efficiently and return it cleaner than it started. Factories become part of the solution, not the problem. 5. Social fairness. Design isn't circular unless it's just. That means safe working conditions, fair wages, respect for human rights, circularity that leaves no one behind. So what does this look like in real life? Look at Steelcase. They make office chairs designed to be disassembled in minutes. Every part labeled, every material recyclable or reusable. Or take Puma. They prototyped a biodegradable sneaker. When you're done with it, it becomes compost, not trash. Even carpets are going circular. Interface, a flooring company, redesigned their tiles to be 100% recyclable. They take back old tiles and turn them into new ones, again and again. Cradle to Cradle isn't a dream. It's already here. The framework was pioneered by architect William McDonough and chemist Michael Braungart. They saw that products could be regenerative by design, and they built a certification system to prove it. Thousands of products now carry the Cradle to Cradle certified label. This is the next step beyond recycling. This is design with intention. It asks us to stop making products that become problems and start making products that become solutions. When we design for endless life cycles, we design for abundance. This is not less bad. It's more good. This is Cradle to Cradle. This is how we build a world without waste, by design.